Hello students, I welcome you to Eduno classes. I am Shubha Patel and I am here to take your maths lecture. We have already discussed the basics and trigonometric identities, and today we will solve questions based on trigonometric identities and trigonometric ratios. So the first question we have in front of us is, if root 3 tan theta is equals to 1, then evaluate cos square theta minus sin square theta. Okay, this is given and this is what we have to find. So how do we start these kind of questions? We make a triangle first and then we specify all the points, then we specify all the angles. It is talking about some theta, right? So we have to consider any angle theta, either this or this. Let us consider this. Tan theta formula is opposite upon base. Opposite to theta is BC. Base to theta is AB. Okay. And then it says root 3 tan theta is equals to 1. So tan theta is equals to root 3 tan theta is equals to 1. So tan theta is equals to 1 upon root 3. Fine. So tan theta is equals to 1 upon root 3. And I have told you that BC will be in some ratio of 1k and AC will be in some factor of root 3, and that multiple will be k. Fine, this is the simplest ratio, na? This is not the real value of BC. 1 is not the real value of BC. Root 3 is not the real value of AC. 1 by root 3 is the simplified form of BC by AC. The real value of BC will be some multiple of 1, and then some multiple AC will be some multiple of root 3, and those multiple would have been common. That is why it has got cancelled in the simplified form, to get the simplified form. Fine. So we have BC is equals to 1, AC is equals to root 3. We have two sides. We have to find the third side. We know BC 1k, we know AC, so we have to find we know AC. Wait a second. Opposite. BC upon AB. Sorry, this is AB. Opposite upon base. So we know AB, we know BC, we have to find AC. Which theorem we use? Which formula we use? Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square is equals to sum of squares of other two sides. AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Now we know BC AB is root 3k. So root 3k square, and BC is 1k. So 1k square. Root 3 into root 3 is 3, and k into k will become k square. 1 into 1 square and k square. So 1k square, or you can write k square. So we have 4k square. So AC is equals to 2k. Root of 4k, na? 4k square. K will come out and root 4 is 2, so 2k. Fine. So AC, from here we have found AC is equals to 2k. We have to find cos square theta, sin theta. So cos theta is base upon hypotenuse. Base is AB upon AC. AC is root 3k. AB is root 3k. AC is equals to 2k. So root 3 by 2. Sin theta is opposite upon hypotenuse. So BC upon AC. BC is from there 1k. AC is 2k. K will get cancelled. Here it got cancelled 1 by 2. Fine. So we have to find the square and then subtract. Right. So cos is root 3 by 2. Cos square theta will become root 3 by 2 whole square, that is root 3 whole square upon 2 square. Root 3 square is 3 and 2 square is 4. Sin theta we know 1 by 2, so sin square theta is 1 by 2 whole square. 1 upon 2 square, 1 square upon 2 square, which is 1 by 4. Now we have to subtract. So this will become root 3 by 4. Cos square theta minus Sine square theta is equals to 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 1 by 2. So cos square theta minus sine square theta is 1 by 2. Okay, let us take another question. So students, another question you have is, okay, question is, if 4 tan theta is equals to 3, find or prove, it is asking you to prove sin theta cos theta is equals to 12 by 25. With the help of this relation which is given to you, you have to find other trigonometric ratio. One trigonometric ratio is given to you. What it is? Tan theta is 3 by 4. Let us make a triangle, specify all points, specify all angle, and this time I have taken this angle. Tan theta we know is opposite upon base. Opposite to it is AB and base is BC. So AB upon BC, and we know the real value of AB will be some multiple of 3, that is 3k, and then BC will be some multiple of 4k. Fine. Now two sides we know, AB and BC, we have to find the third side. AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. This is nothing but Pythagoras theorem. AC square is AB square 3k whole square plus BC is 4k whole square. 9k square plus 16k square gives you 25k square. So AC square is equals to 25a square. AC is equals to root 25k square. K will come out as, k square will come out as k, and 25 will become 5. So 5k. This is better to write it like this. Okay, so now you know AC, you know BC, you know AB. You have to do sin theta cos theta. Sin theta into cos theta you have to find and prove that it is. Sin theta is AB upon AC. Cos theta is base upon hypotenuse, BC upon AC. AB is 3k. AC is 5k. BC is 4k, AC is 5k, k getting cancelled. You have 3 into 4 upon 5 into 5, 12 upon 25. This is how you prove these kind of questions. In next lecture, we will solve some more questions and clear our concepts. Thank you students for watching our video.